Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, then welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, makeup unboxings, anything pretty much related to makeup, beauty, and stuff like that. Today we are going to be doing something different. What we're going to be doing is the Earfleek. It's not different. I do it every month if I get it every month. I do order them. Sometimes they take a while to get here. I don't know. The shipping is crazy. But the Earfleek is a monthly subscription. It's $3.49. Your first month you can get for $1.75. But you get a pair of earrings. They do have a different, like one that's $9.99. But I don't know. I kind of think you get the $3.49 one because I have seen the same earrings that I get that someone else gets in the $9.99. So I don't know. I think this one is just cheaper, and if you're getting the same thing, why would you want to order the higher one? But they do have like styles you can pick from. You can pick like classic, boho, fun, silly earrings. I chose boho, and so inside the envelope is this little package right here. And it's just pretty much the same. Then inside of that one is this little bitty baggie that's got your earrings and what your earrings retail for. Now with them, the only good thing, like, you don't get no sneak peeks, you don't get nothing like that. It's like when you get them, you know what you got. But you can go on there and they have inventory. You can tell them what you like and what you don't like. And you have a better chance of getting something that you might actually wear. So my earrings are retailed for $15.99. I find that most of the earrings that they send are always retailed for $15.99. Okay. So here they are. I haven't went through the inventory in a while. They are cute, like 2 triangles. We will try them on and see if we like them or not. I will leave the link down below if you'd like to try Earfleek for yourself. It's a fun little subscription, and it's like, I don't know, do something for yourself. And with earrings, every time you get a new pair of earrings, always take alcohol and clean them, or jewelry cleaner or something. Always make sure you're cleaning them. You don't want to get an infection. My ears are very sensitive, and a lot of times with cheap earrings, I get them. I don't know why. I'll find a cute pair, I'll buy them, and then I'll have problems, especially with, well, this side of the ear, more than this side. My first hoe, I sometimes have problems with, but the other 2 hoes, I don't know, it seems like every time I put a cheap pair of earrings in, that my ears will do something. So, normally I don't know why I don't. Sometimes I wear like little studs up here, but for this one, I normally wear something more dangly. But they are like really, really cute. Go ahead and put the second pair in just to even it out. So I do think they're cute. Like, I think I'd wear them in this hoe or this hoe. And then I'd put a bigger pair here, because I like to go from bigger to smaller until I get to this spot. Okay, so they are cute. They're not sterling, not really sterling silver. They're silver. We know they're not sterling silver. They're not going to send us sterling silver. It would be nice. And I wear a lot of sterling silver anyway. Myself, no, I have really good luck with sterling silver. I think it complements my skin better. Um, but I'm cool tone, so I think like cool tone people looks really good in silver, and I think that gold looks really good on like darker skinned people. But I do like them. I think they're really cute. So, like I said, I will leave the link down below. And your first month is always like $1.75. Sometimes they'll do like $1.50 or something. And if you refer friends, I haven't got a card like in a while. They normally used to send a card, like a referral card, and I thought that was really, you know, who you hand the cards out to. Probably nobody really. I always like threw mine away, or I use mine really for my nail plates when I'm like stamping the nail plate or making designs on my nails, because you gotta have a good card. So I always use mine for that. Never did give my card away to anybody. I always used it for that. But I will leave the link down below. But these are like super cute. I've got some really good earrings from them. Now, I have got some that I have not liked, but I do blame myself for not going through the inventory. I've been with them probably for like over a year now. Maybe 2 years. I'm not really for sure. I know I started like Earfleek and I think Live Glam around the same time. I'm no longer doing Live Glam because I've got enough makeup brushes. Like probably way too many, and that's not all of them. So didn't need no more of them, but they did have like really good brushes. I'm always like trying to switch, find something better, I think. But this is like the cheapest subscription that I think you can actually get if you're looking for something just to treat yourself with. Once a month, $3.49. Really ain't that bad. And then you get a cute little pair of earrings. And if you want to wear cheap earrings, this is good. Always remember to clean them though, because a lot of people breaks out from just not like, or having a bad reaction from not cleaning them. Like mine kind of already like burning, but that's just, I'm very sensitive to earrings, so I don't even know why I get earring subscriptions. Really, it's kind of stupid. But sometimes I can wear them and they do really good. But it is a nice way to gift yourself something every month without having to overspend on a subscription. And it's a little surprise. And who doesn't like surprises? Me, I love to be surprised. I love mystery boxes and stuff like that. But I guess that is it. I don't know. You can't really see them that good, can you? Okay. Enough looking at the earrings. Okay. So I guess that is it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. And I guess that's it. And I'll talk to you guys later. And you all have a good day.